So are you able to see my screen, right, guys? What this is? This is the local repository. For example, so this is our git bash. So this is our GitHub. What this is, guys? So this is our GitHub, and so this is our Git. This is our Git and Git bash, your local repository, right? So we want to communicate between these two. How you can communicate, guys? So we need to. So definitely we need a communication. How we can communicate with? We can communicate with the token. What is that, guys? Token. What is this? Token, right? Yeah. So how you can communicate with this? So with the token. So right. So we need to generate the token in the remote repository. So generate the developer token to communicate between local and remote. Or else you can use sign in username or password. Okay, username or a password. Okay, understood. So yeah, username password is you already know, right? So I will show you how to generate the token in the GitHub account. Okay, how to generate the token in the GitHub account. I will show you how to generate. So log into the GitHub account. Yeah, you already logged into the GitHub account, and go to the settings. So where go to the settings, click the settings. So in the left side, there is a developer portal, developer settings. So click on the developer settings. Here, right, you see GitHub apps, auth apps, personal tokens. You can click the personal tokens and token classic. Click the token classic and so here you need to generate the new token. So generate the new token through the classic. Click on the classic, right? Yeah. So you can create a token name Durga Soft
Sir,
6.
can you please go little slow? So
Little
once you
slow.
click on settings,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. So once you click the your username, then go to the settings. Click the setting. So once you click the setting, in the left side, there is a developer settings. In the left side, there is a developer settings. Click on the developer settings. Then in the left side, so personal access tokens. So in the drop down, so click the drop down and then click the token classic. Click the token classic. Then so you can here there is a drop down. Click the drop down and generate a new token classic. Click on the generate a new classic token. So Durga Soft 6. I'm giving the name as a Durga Soft 6. So the expiration is no expiration. This token will not expire. Okay. So what you need to select? You need to select the delete repo, right? The report status, the user, click on the user, delete repo. This will enough. Okay. So then generate a token, right? So
Hari,
once you select,
uh, what is the difference between classic and the fine-grained
yeah,
tokens?
fine
Like,
grain is
why
the new one. New one. Fine grain is the new one. Token classic is the older one.
why do we need to use that classic one only?
Yeah, classic one is so this is the mostly developer they are using this one, and so this is the new one, right? So you already know, right? Something like a standard version, beta version, and the beta and standard version. So which version they are using in the real time? Mostly they are using the standard version because of this is proved. But the beta version, so we don't know if it is working or not. So this is something like a pilot. This is not standardized. Okay. Yeah, you can use this
Okay.
one and copy that token and paste it in the somewhere else. You need to save this token. What is that? Token.
So why do we need to generate and connect through a token only? So is there a way that we can connect you by using the username and password?
Yeah. So how you can connect? So for the developing purpose, so for the developer connection, something like in the Jenkins or something like. So so if you want to connect this, so so if you want to communicate with both, so you can use sign in username and password. But so you are using the a real time environment. So they are the multiple users are connected to this repository, right? So multiple peoples are connected to the remote repository. So that's the reason most of the cases we are not using our username and password. So we can use the token to communicate with the local repository.
But anyway, the developers are might be the using the different username and password, right? So they have their own
Yeah,
entity, right?
yeah, you can use it. So we can communicate. So many ways we can communicate with the remote and local many ways. But so we already know something like how to use the sign in username password. Just click on the sign in. You already know the username password. You can click it. But the generate tokens, you don't know, right? That's the reason I am showing how to generate the token and how to communicate with the local repository through the remote repository. You
Okay.
can use.
So
I already told you, right? You can use the both same normal that sign in username password as well as token or SSH also. We can communicate it. I will show you. I will show you while cloning the git clone. Then you will understand.
so as such, there is no difference between connecting by username and password and
Yeah.
also
There is.
by using the
Yes.
token as well, right?
Yes. I will show you while communicating with your local to remote. So there is a two options. I will show you the both two options.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, guys. So how to generate the token? So you already know, right? So